Namaste, friends. Welcome to Inspired SK World, where we explore India's and Nepal's most divine and historical places. Today, we are in the spiritual city of Janakpur Dham, Nepal, to visit one of its most revered temples, Maa Rajdevi Mandir. This temple is dedicated to goddess Durga, also known as Rajdevi, the royal deity of King Janak's lineage. This place holds immense significance in the Hindu faith, especially for devotees seeking strength, wisdom, and blessings. So, stay with me as we uncover the history, architecture, rituals, and spiritual energy of this divine temple. Scroll historical significance of Maa Rajdevi Mandir. Maa Rajdevi Mandir is an ancient Shakti Pitha, believed to be closely associated with King Janak, the ruler of Mithila and father of goddess Sita. According to legends, King Janak and the Mithila dynasty considered Maa Rajdevi as their Kuldevi, family deity, and regularly performed yajanas, fire rituals, and prayers here. Some stories also suggest that before the grand Sita Swayamvar, King Janak sought the blessings of Maa Rajdevi for a suitable groom for his daughter. Even today, devotees believe that praying at this temple helps in finding a good life partner and bringing harmony into married life. The temple has been a center of Shakti worship for centuries, drawing both Hindus from India and Nepal who come to seek the goddess's divine blessings. Classical building, temple architecture, sacred atmosphere. Now, let's take a closer look at the temple's structure and surroundings. The Mithila-style temple stands beautifully decorated with intricate carvings, bright colors, and a peaceful aura. The sanctum, Garbhagriha, houses the idol of Maa Rajdevi, adorned with red clothes, garlands, and jewelry. As we step inside, the air is filled with the fragrance of incense sticks and the sound of bells and devotional chants. Devotees offer coconuts, sindoor, vermilion, red chunari, and flowers, believing that Maa Rajdevi fulfills the wishes of those who come with pure devotion. On special days, priests perform elaborate aartis and havans, filling the temple with divine vibrations. This is a place where one can truly feel the presence of the goddess's power and grace. Rituals, festivals at Maa Rajdevi Mandir. One of the best times to visit Maa Rajdevi Mandir is during Navratri, when the temple comes alive with grand celebrations. Devotees from different parts of Nepal and India gather here to offer prayers, perform fasting, vrat, and participate in bhajans, devotional songs. During Navratri, a special Kanya Pujan ritual is performed, where young girls are worshipped as the embodiment of goddess Durga. This tradition signifies the respect and importance of feminine power in Hindu culture. Apart from Navratri, the temple also hosts Durga Puja, Ram Navami, and Chhath Puja, making it an important spiritual hub throughout the year. Round Pushpin. How to reach Maa Rajdevi Mandir, Janakpur Dham. If you are planning to visit, Janakpur Dham is well connected by road, rail, and even air. The nearest airport is Janakpur Airport, about 3 kilometers from the temple. If you are coming from India, the closest major railway station is Janagar, Bihar, from where you can take a short road journey to Janakpur. Once in Janakpur, you can easily find local rickshaws, taxis, and buses to reach Maa Rajdevi Mandir. Mosque. Nearby attractions in Janakpur Dham. Janakpur Dham is not just about Maa Rajdevi Mandir. This city is a spiritual and cultural treasure. After visiting the temple, don't forget to explore these iconic places. Janki Mandir, the grand temple dedicated to goddess Sita, an architectural masterpiece. Ram Mandir, an ancient temple associated with Lord Ram. Dhanush Sagar Ji. So, friends, that was our divine journey to Maa Rajdevi Mandir in Janakpur Dham. This temple is not just a religious site, but a spiritual powerhouse that has been blessing devotees for centuries. If you ever visit Janakpur, make sure to seek Maa Rajdevi's blessings for strength, prosperity and happiness in life. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Inspired SK World for more amazing travel and spiritual videos. See you in the next vlog. Till then, Jai Maa Durga.